Hello, let's look at yet how to prove tan cube A as being equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A all over 1 minus 3 tan squared A. I've done a tutorial video on how to prove these two, right? Let's look at how to prove this last one and we're off. For this last one here, I'm having tan cube A to be equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A all over 1 minus 3 tan squared A. How do you prove this? First, I'll break down this 3 tan A. So for 3 tan A, for tan 3A, it can be expressed as tan into 2A plus A. So I know that 2A plus A will automatically give 3A, no problem. At this point now, I'll go and record the concept of compound angle. From your compound angle, if I have tan A plus B, of course, is a plus sign. So go back to this concept. This will automatically give tan A plus tan B all over 1 minus tan A tan B. So I'll use this expression for this one here. So mind you, my A becomes 2A, my B becomes just A. So in this case here, I'll just compare. This A is this 2A here. Position of B is A here. So that becomes the tag signs that anywhere I see A, I'll just put 2A. Anywhere I see B, I'll just put just A there. So if I expand tan cube A, so tan cube A now can be expressed as tan A. So I have anywhere you see A, we said put what? 2A. Anywhere you see B from there, put what? Put A. So I have tan A. What's the A? So that becomes tan A. A here is what? 2A plus tan B. What's tan B? We said tan B. Anyway, you see B put A, that becomes tan A all over, observe please, all over 1. I have a 1 here. 1 minus tan A tan B. Anyway, you see A, put 2A. That becomes tan 2A tan B. What is B? B is A. So I have this expression. Now at this point here, I can see tan 2A, and basically tan 2A has its own expression, right? So the tag signs that just try to understand the idea of double angle is from those concepts we used to derive all this. I said this in the last class when I was deriving for sin cube A and cos cube A, right? So at this point now, I'm not going to recall something. Recall that the expression for tan 2A is equal to what? 2 tan A all over 1 minus tan squared A. So I have this. So it becomes my expression for tan 2A. Now what do I do from here? The task for me is nice, it's simple, right? Anyway, I see tan 2A, I'll just insert this expression there. So it becomes, if I express tan cube A, so it means that tan cube A now, tan cube A will be equal to, observe, I'm seeing tan 2A. We said replace tan 2A as what? 2 tan A over 1 minus tan squared A. That's the task. So I can see tan 2A. Replace value with this. That becomes for tan 2A, this one tan 2A now becomes all this. That becomes 2 tan A all over 1 minus tan squared A. So we said replace just tan 2A as being this. Plus, I have a plus sign here. Plus what there? Tan A. So I have tan A all over, that's for numerator, I'm off. Check down, I have this 1 here. For denominator, I have 1. That becomes 1 minus, is a minus sign. Tan 2a is this. That becomes what? 2 tan a over 1 minus tan squared a. I have this. Next up, I'm left with what? Just what? Times what? A tan a. So I have this. So the task next that you substitute the value of tan squared tan 2a as being equal to 2 tan a all over 1 minus tan squared a into your original expression for tan cube a, which is this. All right, I'm here now. So my task here, what will be my task here? What will be my next task here? The task is quite simple. I'll try to figure out the LCM here, right? I'll figure out the LCM concept. So from here now, I can see that for numerator alone, there's of course there's an invisible one here, an invisible one there. Similarly, if I multiply 2 tan a with tan a, that becomes a 2 tan squared a. So that becomes, simplifying this now, I'll have tan cube a as being equal to, first, numerator alone. I can infer the concept of LCM, right? So I'm having 1 minus tan squared a and 1. This becomes 1 minus tan squared a. So for numerator, my LCM becomes a 1 minus tan squared a. So this value divided by this is 1. 1 times 2 tan a gives what? 2 tan a plus 1 minus tan squared a divided by 1 is still 1 minus tan squared a. This value times this becomes tan squared a first into what? 1 minus tan squared a. So I have this. So this value here is for only numerator. So all over, let's focus on denominator and let's see what we get. Check them out, please. This one here is for numerator. So all over, so I have all over. Check them out, please. So I can see this numerator, this numerator. I'll try to simplify this first. So let me just try to simplify this and put the answer here for now, right? Because for numerator, we look out for LCM straightforward. Now just check, look up. I have 1, this 1. Sorry. I can see 1, so I can see this 1 here. Sorry, I have some issue with this stuff. All right. So I can see 1. This is 1, right? Minus. Observe, please. Combine 2 tan a with tan a. That becomes a 2 tan squared a all over this man here. That's what? 1 minus tan squared a, as you can see, right? So from there now, the task is quite simple. This 1 is still this 1 here, right? Also, sorry, this 1 here, sorry, this 1 is still this 1 here. If I simplify this 1, I'll have these two expressions, right? So the task now is that with this 1 now, I'll look for LCM straightforward here. That's for myself, right? Now go back to this man here. I can see this becomes over 1 here over invisible 1. What's my LCM here? Of course, is 1 minus t squared. So my LCM here becomes 1 minus tan squared a. This 1 divided by 1 is still what? So I'll be having 1 minus tan squared a. If I divide this by this, multiplied by 1, I'll still have this one here. So minus, this minus is this minus here. Divide this by this is just 1. Then repeat 2 times a. That's 2 times squared a rather. So I have this. So this is my numerator and denominator. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. Now, mind you, I can break this down in 2 ways, right? So I can choose to, I'll write that numerator outside. So it means that tan 3a now is equal to, observe please, is equal to, pick out this one out first. That's 2 tan a plus, expand through, that becomes, perhaps, just put it down, that's tan a into 1 minus tan squared a. So I have this. So all over this one, 1 minus tan squared a. So this value here is my numerator. This line here signifies division symbol. So I'll have divided by, observe, by what value? By this one. Pick out this here. That becomes 1 minus tan squared a, right? Sorry. Okay, perhaps encase this one here in a bracket, please. So I have this one in a bracket, minus 2 tan squared a. So all over this last expression here, that's 1 minus tan squared a. So I have this. So this becomes the expression for what I have there. So this and this, the same thing. Pick out this here, divided by this one here. So I have this. So the most of tax, I'll change this to times and what? Invert, such that this will cancel this. Observe please. Let's get this done, please. From here, let me try to use this space here, right? Perhaps, all right. Let me come back here. So from here now, I'll repeat what I'm having here. So it becomes, let me pen this tan 3a for now. So work with equal to. So equal to, I'll repeat this man here. So I'll have 2 tan a plus tan a into 1 minus tan 2a. 1 minus tan, squared a per se. So over this one here, all over 1 minus tan squared a. 1 minus tan squared a. So I have this. By the way, I want to change this man to times. So I have a times. Don't forget your concept. This one will come up, this one goes down. So I'll have 1 minus tan squared a all over what I'm having up there. So I'm having 1 minus tan squared a, right? Minus 2 tan squared a. So tan squared a. So just do a reciprocal concept. I'll just invert, that's all. So inverting, I have this expression here. What do you observe? Observe that what I'm having here and here are similar. So this one now, we cancel out this. I'm left with what? 2 tan a, this one, plus tan a into 1 minus tan squared a, right? All over, all right, all over this one left. So that becomes 1 minus tan squared A, right, minus 2 tan squared A. All right. How do I now possibly get my real value, right? So the task now is that from here, what my next task so that I can easily have this expression, right? So the task now is that I will expand through, right? I will expand numerator. So expanding there, I'll have 2 tan A, 2 tan A, right? Plus tan A times 1 will still give tan A, plus minus is of course minus tan A times tan squared A, that's tan cube A. I'm done with this. So all over, from here I will just open the bracket, right? So that becomes 1 minus tan squared A minus 2 tan squared A. So what do you observe from here? Observe that from here, 2 tan A, observe please, 2 tan A plus tan A, that's 3 tan A. Now from here now, I've gotten my answer. So my answer now, my answer becomes, listen up, I don't want to clean this because I'll show you the answer if they are the same, so you can compare them. So we're working towards this, right? So from here now, so from this is equal to, the value should be here. You said this tan 3AB, so becomes tan 3A now will be equal to, this equal to is this one here, 2 tan A plus tan A, that's of course 3 tan A minus tan cube A, all over this one, this other same one here. Now listen up, minus tan squared A minus 2 tan squared A, that's of course minus 3 tan squared A. This becomes the proving to tan cube A. Observe this and this, they are the same thing. So it becomes how to prove tan cube A as being equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A all over 1 minus 3 times squared A. So I have this. So see you in our next class.